What's up, everybody? We are back with another new 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're going to take a look at the Matchbox Retro 2 set. I got this for €6, which is a pretty good deal here in Germany. This set has a small downside for all completionists, but we'll get to that later. First of all, let's take a quick look at the packaging. As you can see, our cover model is the TTop Corvette in this 80s deco. You also see it here on the back. Then we take a quick look at the models, and we will notice that we got 5 licensed cars or models, which is pretty cool. And now let's get started and take a look at the models. The first one is the Land Rover 90 in German Polizei deco. I have to say, in my opinion, this is definitely the worst model of all of these. I think this casting isn't really good, to be honest. It looks pretty far off, in my opinion, because look how wide this is. This is way too wide, in my opinion. So this looks really strange, and we get this, I hope you can see it, teeny tiny trailer hitch here on the back. So yeah, this thing is strange. The base is saying it's from 2015, but I think it's an older casting that got retooled a few times. Yeah, I don't know why they are still doing these old models. I think this one isn't just great. Right now they have so many cool new models. So yeah, anyways, we go on with a pretty nice model, which is this one here. The 1969 BMW 2002 in a very nice green. It's kind of I don't know, pearl effect color, and it has a, hope you can see that, kind of a golden shade to it, and it looks really nice. I guess the real car never came out in this color, but this looks pretty good. We get details and very crisp details on the back. I like the license plate saying BMW 2002, very crisp details on the front, and the best thing, of course, is the chrome base. So we get a very nice chrome bumper, and yeah, on the front and on the back. And this one just looks really good. Unfortunately, I don't have all the other versions, but for example, I can show you a red version, which isn't bad. But as you can see, this one has this yeah, I don't know, it's kind of a gray, golden gray color, whatever, plastic base. But by far, this one does not look as good as the one with the chrome base. So this is the red version. And we've also seen this casting in a very nice black version with a white interior, looking very good. So as you can see, both of these versions have chrome bases. So we get chrome bumpers, looking very good. This one I think was also from a 5-pack. Very nice color, the blue. So pretty nice casting, and a nice addition, our green BMW. Next one up is the Corvette TTop. It's saying on the base, I think it's from 2020, but in my opinion, it's the same thing with like with the Land Rover. I think this is an older casting that got retooled sometimes. I mean, this is pretty cool. Basically, I like the casting. What I don't like is the huge wheel in the back. Yeah, you know, it's something normally Hot Wheels is doing, but in this case, Matchbox is doing the same. I really like the deco. It's got this 80s style deco, and yeah, it's just looking very good. I only have one other version of this casting. It was also from a 5-pack from last year or 2 years ago. I don't know. Yeah, but my favorite is the purple version. So put our TTop in the parking lot. As we go on with this guy here, I think it's the first time that I picked up one of these. This is the 1978 Dodge Monaco Police. That's what the casting is called. The thing is, I think it's pretty old also. 1978, I don't know. Anyways, this thing has been out in many different versions. Of course, normally it comes in police livery, but this guy here, I think it's the first time we see it in, what's that on the roof? We see it in red, and it's looking very good. At first I thought this was from a kind of a fire brigade or something, but it's saying Red Valley Camp, and here on the back you can see it saying Ranger Patrol. Comes with these yellow tinted windows. Unfortunately, I mean, once again, you see that we get plastic base, gray plastic, and yeah, the front looks pretty poor also on the back, but the rest I think is very nice. Really like this red. A nice one, and of course, I think at least here in Germany, that is why many are buying this set. Got a new color for the 1976 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Yeah, I would say this is a kind of pearl yellowish color. Looks pretty nice, to be honest. It's also got some metal flakes. Very nice. So here's the problem, as you can see. I'll show it to you. That's what I meant when I said the set has a little downside. It's the top car, and of course, if you are a completionist, then you know that this model has an interior variation. So this one comes with the stuff in the trunk. You see there's skateboard and whatever else there is in there. And there's another version where there's nothing in there. And yeah, it's pretty hard to find because you can't see it in the packaging because it's the top car, and you can't look here in the rear of the car. And that's pretty annoying. So basically you have to buy, I don't know how many of these sets, and hoping for 2 different versions. And that could be very expensive. I don't know if Matchbox did this intentionally, but yeah. So I do have another version, but it's still sealed, and I won't open it because of the interior variation. I think I have 3 or 4 versions of this casting. I'm not really sure. I think there was also German Polizei version, and silver or gray version. I do have that, but I didn't find it for this video. And normally I'm trying to get all the 2 different variations. By the way, here you see, I hope you can't see it, it's very hard to see, but here's nothing in the back. And the blue one, as you can see, comes with the skateboard. So yeah, that's the thing with the variation. And that was the Matchbox Retro II set. So take a quick look at the 5 models. You know, I pick a favorite at the end. I mean, the BMW is also pretty cool, but I think it's the Volkswagen Golf. And yeah, with that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.